Ever since you left, it's been different. Holding on to memories, cause I refuse to forget them. Life is short, I just wish I had more time to spend with you. Just know I've been missing you since the day you went missing. Wishing I could bring you back, I done cried me a river. Feeling so alone, but at times I swear I can feel you. Trying to get out my feelings, but this feeling's unfamiliar. Been doing a lot of thinking and drinking and smoking since a million. I'm just trying to ease my mind. It makes it hard to live my life just knowing that you're not alive. And you may never see the tears dripping from my eyes. I smile, but the truth is, I be crying all inside. So many thoughts on my mind, but the main one is why. Emotions building up, sometimes it's way too hard to hide. Life is way too short, so make the most of your time. But your pain is my pain, so I'm here if you wanna confide. If I can take your pain away, I will. If I can make it all okay, turn all it back to good. If I had the power, just know I would. So lost in these thoughts, trying hard just to not fall apart. But when you left, you took a piece of my heart. Still trying to shine bright, but it's dark. God, please take away this pain. Tears falling like rain. Trying not to go insane. Emotions like a tidal wave. So my mind stays running and running and running. If you're lost, that's 100. Why did you have to go? I wonder. But the time that we spent, I can never forget. The way you smile, the way you talk, even down to your scent. And I just hope you find peace at wherever you went. And I'll be missing you until the day we meet again. If I can take your pain away, I will. If I can make it all okay, I will. If I can turn all it back to good. If I had the power, just know I would. Don't let the day go by that I don't think about you. Kept my head above water, I just might sink without you. And they say life goes on, but sometimes I just don't want to. And I'm not suicidal, these are just thoughts that just seem to haunt me. When I hear a beat like this, I just think about you constantly. Trying to keep it real with myself, so I'm speaking honestly. Can't trust most people, I'm used to pulling back like archery. I feel like it's the end of the road, so ain't no dodging this. Feeling like fuck everyone, anti-monogamous. But I made you promises, and I will accomplish them. Even if I gotta do it by myself with no accomplices. I'm like David facing a giant, and I will conquer him. So I pass my love on to the fam, that's what you would want for them. To have you in my life for the time I did, I am fortunate. But you had to leave early, and I feel that's so unfortunate. I'm so rich in love, I can make the top 10 on the Forbes list.